Pensemo eyemo yekiama gia ODM au bari mamincha ya serikali yobomo iko besokire na komuchige tambukiro gyoko mwaka isiko ya obisi Edwin Sifuna buno murikio munene w'ekiama kia ODM bakoragwo no Senator Edwin Sifuna ni go bakirukirige tambukire kyoko bamamincha eri chiko l'ekiama kia ODM ase omugabara we county ya Siaya James ORENGO amomochirie bororo murai bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase watananekana ukukogenderete kwenikiwa ime yekiama kyo Daniel Mwaga otwariganirie oroboti orwase obwa
Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NERE resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect.
Ritko elimorioka mayaga yomorikio munene bw'ekiama gia ODM Edwin Wantenya Sifuna gwako isiko nagotere kwa mbarambare buno morikio munene bw'ekiama ikio bono nigo chinsase chintindi chege siasa ekio charekanire komoka eriokiri mwamu charekanire ime yekiama ikio egatiye chinsemo ibere ekio chagenderere gotiemana na gosario bonyansi. Ritko lya rero ni gabarayi bensemo yorobegoromo bakorawa na Edwin Sifuna umuseneta w'county ya Nairobi James ORENGO umugabana w'county ya Siaya Paul Ongirio Wino oyo manyakainemo na Babu Wino mubunge bw'ensemo y'ebunge ya Mbakasi East Kaleba Misi mubunge bw'ebunge y'ensemo ya Sabaot Godfrey Ososi umuseneta w'county ya Vihiga na boigo oromokonyi bomorayi bw'ekiama gia ODM Odinga bunge y'ensemo ya Afrika ya Mochayela besokirie na koruta Enkwana chintindi kobwatekana n'egetambukiro kyo gyoko mwaka isiko Edwin Sifuna okwana nabaliki amangana maya umuseneta Edwin Sifuna nigo agetona egetambukiro kyo gyoko muruta isiko yabisi kobegetambukiro kerema mincha ayeri chiko.
Let me state without fear of contradiction that this action is illegal and procedural and a blatant violation of the ODM Constitution as well as the principles of natural justice. At no time have I been informed of any allegations against me, be they of indiscipline, insubordination or incompetence in the execution of my duties as the Secretary General.
Nengana tene ni yarekana gutiribwe siro no mubunge Babu Wino ase maisomarore amochia bali aberetege tambukiro kyo.
I want to state that the illegal removal of Sifuna from office is not taken on a light note by this team, and I want to condemn the leaders who did this. And I want to state that there is no way that illegal office holders can remove a legal office holder, SecGen, from office.
Omugabana w'county ya Siaya James ORENGO nigo arekana ko utarachingo kobori na komotongie kiara eseriso morai bwense William Ruto asoko materia buna NERE sababu yomusemberere ko munene oyogenderete kwene kibwa ime kiama keria gia ODM.
The problem in ODM is President Ruto. We are asking President Ruto to let ODM go, let ODM alone. He has not taken it hostage. He is in possession of the party called ODM. He is convening meetings of organs of ODM. Please, please, leave ODM alone.
Ase ensemo yaye Omoseneta Godfrey Ososi na baigo mokonyi bomorayi bw'ekiama ekyo gya ODM nigo aeneke buna bono ekiama ekyo ni wagekora wakorwa senyombene neyo borayi egetambukira mochiri bororo.
I raise an alarm that ODM party is now being remote controlled from State House. And I also raise an alarm that there is an attempt to do a hostile takeover of ODM party. I am surprised that Honorable Buru told us that he needed to consult further. That consultation, he did not consult it with other key stakeholders in the party, but they proceeded that night to State House to consult William Ruto.
Igwikabono nigaba Kenya abategete chindoro chiabo elio korora gose amagoro y'ekiama ekio ayorerekanire ko bandeka nanyare ko bandurwa na kwirania ekiama ekio ase obunyamasi bwaye bwa botambe.
The Secretary General of Raila's party, ODM, is one Edwin Sifuna.
Ginkiripateri ya Gitaseni Igien Soko TV. Iretariane Daniel Omwaga.